Hey guys, this is JSer. How's the video going? In this video, I'm going to take a look at to A3. Move zeros is an easy problem. We're given an array nums, write a function to remove all zeros to the end of it, while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Well, okay. So we need to move the zero to the end. There are, I think, two approaches. The first one is move the non-zero numbers to the head, right? Something like, if suppose like this. But first we met 0, and then we need 1, so we swap it. And then we made 0 again, and 3, so we swap this 0 to 3. So 1, 3, 0, 0, and 12. So 1, 3, 12, 0, 0. So we swap 1, 2, 3, 3 times. The other approach would be move the 0 directly to the end, swap the last element. Would be 0, okay. We made 0, okay, wait, 3, 12. We made the first 0, so we need to swap 0 to the first non-zero element from right to left. So which is 12 here, 12, 1, 0, 3, 0. And then we go to 1, it's not 0, we do nothing, got 0, 0, 12, 1, 0, swap this 0 with 3. And then we met the 0 that we swapped, so we stop. So this is the approach. We can see that we swap at 2 times because there's only 2 zeros. There were 3 non-zero numbers. So if we're gonna care only about the steps without caring about the order, I think we need to check which 0 is if 0 has more numbers. Right? If 0 is there are more zeros, then we should just do something like this. If not, we just move 0 to the end. But here we need to maintain the relative order. So the first approach will gonna be used by us. So let's do it. As we illustrate in the example, well, first we need to traverse through the numbers, and then we need to keep track of the next position to swap the swap the zeros, right? So let's say next, okay, position to swap. Okay, we should start with 0, and then for start loop through all the numbers. If it is 0, we do nothing. If it is so, it's not 0, we will swap the position to swap with I. And after we swap it, don't forget to move the position to the next one. And then we could return, we do return nothing, right? Okay, so this is it. Yeah, that's what we got. The time complexity would be, of course, all the numbers will be traversed. So it's linear time, space, nothing. And let's try to implement the next in the other approach without maintaining the relative order. Let's see how we're gonna do it. And of course it's gonna fail, but we just this is for practice only. Okay, so position to swap would be the first number from right, which is not 0, from right to left, right? So actually we should create a function to do that. Update position to swap. It would be update position to swap. So while it's 0, while position to swap nums position is 0, we decrement it. And so here we could get the first position to swap, and then loop through the numbers. If it is not 0, we do nothing right here. Now we swap it, and after it, we need to update the position to swap. As here, we swap 0 and 12, and okay, this is 0, so we move to the next one here, update the position. Now, here's a problem that when we meet 0, that is not originally here. If we swap, we should stop, right? So here we should add ending condition is smaller than position to swap. So that's it. Let's run the code. If it is not 0, we continue. So it must be 0. I'm sorry. I have to initialize it to num.minus -1. Yeah, you see, we get the right result, but the order is not kept. In case there's a follow-up on this question, yeah, hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.